The ROPLUS 21-inch spinner luggage offers an impressive expandable space design, allowing you to increase its capacity by 20%, which is perfect for those who need extra packing room. Equipped with advanced double spinner wheels, this suitcase promises smooth, wear-resistant, and shock-absorbing performance, enhancing your travel experience. Designed with both dry and wet compartments, it enables easy organization of clothes and belongings, making it ideal for both leisure and business trips. This luggage features a reinforced top handle and integrated side and bottom handles, ensuring it is easy to lift and carry, no matter how much you pack. Constructed from durable, abrasion-resistant Oxford fabric and featuring a TSA lock, this suitcase offers security and peace of mind during your travels. The ROPLUS luggage stands out in the carry-on category with its sturdy build and steady 4-spinner wheels, allowing you to pack confidently without worrying about tipping.